Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure Authy for multi-device account recovery, beginner guide step by step clearly. To begin, ensure that you have the Authy app installed on your device. Open the Authy app on your smartphone or tablet. Next, navigate to the settings menu by tapping the gear icon, usually found in the upper corner. Look for the option labeled Devices or Manage Devices. Here, you will find the option to enable multi-device support. Once you locate this option, toggle the setting to enable it. You may be prompted to confirm your choice by entering your Authy password or using another verification method. After enabling multi-device support, return to the main screen of the app. Now, head over to your secondary device where you want to configure Authy. Download and install the Authy app from your device's app store. Open the Authy app on the new device. You will need to start the setup process by entering your phone number. Make sure to enter the same phone number linked to your Authy account. After entering your phone number, select Next. You will receive an authentication code via SMS or phone call. Input the code into the app on your secondary device. If prompted, authenticate by entering your Authy password. Once authenticated, your account should sync, and you will see your tokens on the new device. Check that all your two-factor authentication tokens are visible and working properly. If you wish to remove a device in the future, you can return to the Settings menu. Simply select the device you want to remove and follow the prompts to do so. Always ensure your primary device is secure to keep your account safe. Congratulations, you have successfully configured Authy for multi-device account recovery. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.